Hey, small Lego large. Welcome to the Huaishui Lego warehouse. I am Sikao. That's right, today I'm bringing you the legendary next episode. 60132 City Gas Station B model. I vaguely feel it's a repair shop with a car wash. What a psychedelic mix. I forgot what the A mode looks like. You can go to our channel homepage to search and watch. Without further ado, let's get started. Yeah. Really? Yeah. Effort. Okay then. Now our 60132B mode is complete. The scale is more conservative compared to the A mode. After all, so many parts were used less. The two modes look very similar. But it is impossible to take apart a certain area and use it directly. Fortunately, the set comes with a brick separator. Don't know how to use the brick separator? Don't worry. Our channel has videos. We have pictures and text as well. You can search and take a look if you are interested. Back to the main topic. Let's talk about the magical main comprehensive service area of the B model. The repair station comes with a car wash service. I guess the car wash function is a throwback to the old gas station. Put it aside for now. The functional divisions of the main building are obvious. The interior is responsible for the cashier. There are simple shelves and a small seating area. Don't mind that there's only one chair. The space is so tight that he put the water outside the door. No. So, it seems. These blue things might also be windshield washer fluid. Kids in front of the screen. The windshield washer fluid looks very refreshing. But you must be able to tell that it's poisonous. Don't drink it. Some tools are placed in the open area on the left. It's still a brush. Shovel, wrench, hammer. With brush, wrench, and hammer, I can understand what you need the shovel for. Honestly, the way the tools are stored is pretty good. These two, I'm guessing, are a fire extinguisher and a dining table. Please brainstorm in the comment section and on the bullet screen. Moving forward, we come to the repair area. This device is a small crane. Finally, it lifts the car up. It allows us to observe the chassis and perform further adjustments. The overall design is good. The structure is solid. I feel it's quite safe to use for car maintenance. It's also parts taken from the A mode sweeper. I feel like only the crane has a presence. It's more natural. Can you imagine? Just this small repair station. It can also repair race cars. That's right, it's this front part. We can adjust it according to our preference. The screen from the gas station before is now used to display vehicle data. In addition, there are two operational areas responsible for car washing and, the newsstand. Is this an explosion? So retro. I have to say, I miss it. You don't see the half-automatic car washes that sell newspapers anymore. The bottom of the brush barrel is movable. The car won't be dirty anymore after going through. When the car goes through like this, the brushes have a certain following action to demonstrate the scene. It washes a convertible, so naturally, there's no need for a cleaning device on top. Next is the ever-changing LEGO world. The always exciting vehicles. Actually, the 3 cars and the main building are combined. Truck, sports car, go-kart. Which one do you want to see the most? It must be the truck, right? Compared to the usual truck, its chassis is lower. If the cargo bed and car box parts are converted, it becomes a family car. I suspect that's what he was thinking. Even if the doors can be opened, we still need to lift the roof to get in the car. No seats. Sitting directly on the chassis. Think of the exciting front of the car. A short crossbar was made to echo the boom. Only the parking space has a license plate. Okay, let's go. Now tell me about this burgundy convertible. It's just like the A mode with the roof directly flipped off. Look at its front. It can be lifted up. I feel like its chassis is affected by the length. This convertible has a strange proportion. The rear wheel position would be better if it were a bit forward. The third one is the very attractive go-kart. I mentioned before that Oten has his own team. He should be one of them. Small and lovely. It's the boys' favorite car. Large tires with excellent grip. Stable structure. It runs quickly and powerfully. Of course, it's also my favorite car in the B model. The only thing left is to swap their headgear and pants. The 2 sets of light blue uniforms become more cohesive. Their identities are also easier to recognize. Overall, the performance of this B mode is the general level of LEGO Multi-in-1 sets. Some specific parts that are stickered in the A mode will be limited in reuse. It's more about inspiring and encouraging players. We change the existing conditions ourselves. Create buildings or cars that suit your own preferences. No matter which mode it is. A gas station is a necessary infrastructure in the city. I personally think that the 60132 gas station was worth buying at its original price. After all, it's out of production now. Its value will naturally increase, 515 pieces, for figures. It can currently be found for less than 500 yuan on online stores. And the highest price for a well-packaged one is even marked at over 1,000 yuan. If your LEGO city needs a gas station, but you still want to wait and see, you can continue to pay attention. The gas station we will be bringing later. 2020. Which is the newly released City Service Station 60257 this year. Compare the differences between the two. Okay then. What do you think of today's 60132B mode? Do you think this set is worth buying? Welcome to leave a message in the comment section to discuss. And don't forget to give us a like. Share it. Save it. It's not easy to make videos. I'm only motivated if everyone supports me with their fingers. Okay? Please. This is Huaxue LEGO Warehouse. Is thinking. See you next time. Bye.